In the argument given, the two parts in boldface play which of the following roles? Okay, so we have to look at this and try and paraphrase what they're doing in the argument so we can recognize it when we get to the answer choices. So although the pronunciation of processes has two accepted versions in American English, the fact that dictionaries written 30 years ago do not accept or even list the pronunciation with the long E or E's ending indicates that this second pronunciation is a recent occurrence and an overcorrection of the original form. Okay, so the first boldface portion is clearly some kind of fact. You know, dictionaries 30 years ago don't list this pronunciation, the processes pronunciation. So it's going to be some kind of support for the notion that, as we find out right here, that it's a recent, the other pronunciation is a recent occurrence and an overcorrection. Okay. So then we go on. Nouns with a Greek origin ending in SIS, like basis or crisis, have long E plurals that end in SES, meaning that crises is the correct plural and crisis is not. Okay, that's not underlined. Last one, although dictionaries of American English now accept both pronunciations of processes, the word processes, other English dictionaries have not followed suit. So this is additional evidence that it's not a widespread thing to pronounce it processes or processes. So the second one looks like it's also some kind of evidence. Anyway, let's look for that in the answer choices then. A, the first is evidence supporting the argument's main point. That's true. The second is that main point. That's not true. It's additional evidence. So it's not A. B, the first statement and the second statement both provide evidence supporting the point the argument attempts to establish. That actually matches what our prediction was. Both of them support the idea that this other pronunciation is a recent occurrence and an overcorrection. Choice B.